Hello everyone, in this video, we'll bringing you a completely new customizable theme inspired by the iOS 26 liquid glass style. The lock screen features a zoom effect on the wallpaper, a color customizable dynamic island, and a beautiful clock widget on the home screen. A transparent icon pack in the liquid glass style of iOS 26, allowing you to easily see through app icons, creating a stunning visual effect with the wallpaper underneath. A transparent control center with a frosted glass effect, featuring rounded toggle switches designed with elegance and sophistication. These changes also apply to system apps such as Settings, Phone, and Messages. Let's bring this theme to any of your Xiaomi global ROM devices together. To install the theme on a Xiaomi global device, open Settings, go to My Device, then select Backup and Restore Features. Deselect all pre-selected items, tap on Other System App Data, then select Theme App Data to back up. Wait for the backup process to complete. The speed will depend on how many themes are stored on your device. Check the Theme App Data again. Don't worry, this will not delete your existing themes. Next, download my backup file provided in the description of this video. It's lightweight, so it should download quickly. After the file has finished downloading, open Xiaomi's File Manager and navigate to the location where the file was saved. Now select the file and long press it. Then choose to move the file to the backup folder located at MIUI Backup, All Backup. Select the most recent backup folder, move the file into it. Since the file has the same name, you'll be given the option to overwrite. Choose Overwrite to replace the original file. Next, go back to the Backup and Restore interface. Switch to the Restore section, and proceed to restore the latest theme app data. Wait for the theme app data restoration process to complete. Now open the theme app, go to the My Themes section, and you'll see two new themes appear. Next, we'll customize the theme to remove any Chinese text and apply your own wallpaper for a more personalized look. First, select the IP26 theme and apply all components to your phone. Next, go back to the Customize Theme screen, tap on the Icon Pack section, and select the iOS 26 theme to apply it. At this point, there will still be some Chinese text appearing on the widgets. We'll remove it shortly. Double tap on the lock screen to customize it, then select each clock and widget section to modify. For the widgets, choose the ones that do not display Chinese text, like this. Below are widgets for battery, the hello text, or any other widgets you want to change. Tap the button next to them to switch to different widgets of your choice. The side panel allows you to customize the widget's color and position. Choose a style that suits you best. Lock screen wallpaper options include 8 default wallpapers for you to choose from. Below, there's a toggle to enable the blur effect for the wallpaper. Once enabled, the wallpaper will automatically sync with the lock screen. If you want to turn off the dynamic island on the home screen, open the theme app and toggle off this option. After turning off the previous option, lock and unlock your screen, the dynamic island will disappear. If you want it to appear again, simply toggle the switch back on. Now, let's customize the color of the dynamic island on the lock screen. Adjust these sliders to display the color you want for the dynamic island. Next, we will change the lock screen wallpaper using our own custom image. Turn on this switch to activate the custom wallpaper. Then, in the section below, we will proceed to import the wallpaper to change the lock screen background. After changing the wallpaper, you can adjust the color of the dynamic island to match the wallpaper. Next, we can also change the home screen wallpaper if desired. I'll include the wallpaper link in the description of this video. At this point, we can consider the custom theme nearly complete. We now have a lock screen with wallpaper effects, along with a dynamic island that matches the wallpaper's color tone. A set of transparent app icons with the stunning frosted glass effect. You can freely change the wallpaper and adjust the color of the dynamic island to match the overall tone of your chosen background. Everything featured in the video is available in the description. I hope you'll enjoy this custom theme I've created. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.